All things bright and beautiful. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings. He made their glowing colors. He made their tiny wings. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the sunset and the morning that brightens up the sky, the cold wind in the winter, the blessed summer sun, the ripe fruits in the garden. God made them everyone. God gave us eyes to see them, and lips that we might tell how great is Lord God our Almighty, who made all things well.